today. Z, good to see you. It's been a long time, man. This is the first time I've been back on the bike in well over a month. You guys knew I took a little hiatus, had some weird shit happen. I'll get into that maybe later. You know what we're doing today?
What are we doing?
We're going to continue our quest for Southern California's best meatball sandwich.
Oh boy, oh boy.
I figured to find the best meatball sandwich, maybe we should just go to the roots. Find a nice Italian deli. I found one in Tustin. I think this is the one, man. I think this is one. But first I have some more stuff that I got to leave with Bob. So let's go hit the Trabuco General Store, and then we'll go get our meatball sandwich.
Sweet.
All right. It is good to be back. Good to be back on the GSXR 750 shitbox. I missed it. Dude, I missed all you guys too, man. I'm sorry for keeping all you guys in the dark, man, but I had some bad shit that happened to me. About 3 weeks before Christmas, my grandfather died. He died of natural causes, lived in Michigan. So my wife, kid, and I, man, we all hopped in the truck and we headed to Michigan. All right. But anyway, that's where I was at, man, dealing with all that stuff. Look at this. We still have some stuff. That's cool. I still plan on filling up these shelves with some shirts and sweatshirts and hats, so check back. Bobby, it's been a bit. What do we got? Oh, dude. Tamaraka, whatever that is. Some more. Should we check his cock? Nothing under the cock. Well, Bob, I got some more stuff for you, sir. We got another backpack.
Ooh.
Courtesy of Voss.
Be like one of those cool kids and like wear it over like one shoulder.
For sure. And have back problems later on in life. Here, Babalo, have a dad hat.
You can't have his cowboy hat though.
No, you can't have the cowboy hat. Is there any stuff back here?
How you been?
Oh, jeez.
Happy New Year.
How are you? Look what we got.
Paper bags? Hell yeah.
Let's open up this one. Hey, Sub D, have a great lunch. I like lunch. We're going to eat lunch today. What?
Is there lunch in there?
We got lunch.
Oh, baby.
From Two Guns Tony. Two Guns Tony, you're the man. Thank you so much.
More paper bags.
Let's open up this one. Hey, Sub D. Taylor and Max here. We both watch your videos and love them. We should definitely ride sometime and hit up Julian. Looking forward to upcoming content. Keep it up, brother. Here's our Instagrams if you want to ride, man. Well, thank you, man. I really appreciate that. Taylor and Max, thank you so much. All right, what else? Dude, there's some things in here.
Is it heavy?
It's heavy. I got a pink shirt.
The Trabuco General Store shirt?
Trabuco General Store shirt. All right. Yes, yes. Some ghost chili salsa. All right. Thank you so much, man. And I'm looking forward to trying this. This is going to be good.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's going to be hot.
Extremely hot.
Always good to see Bob, man. It's been a bit. I like that guy. Every time I go in there, it's like Christmas. It's cool, man. Very excited to try this salsa. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for it. All right. Let me tell you a little bit about the place that we are going to today. Claro's Italian Market. This place was started in 1948 by Italian immigrant power couple Joe and Mary Claro. Now this is an Italian deli market. It's not a restaurant, so I don't think you can eat there. We're gonna have to get the sandwiches and go, which is cool. I have a lot of confidence that this might be the best meatball sandwich that we've had so far on this channel. We'll see though, right? Anyway, it's a family business. It was handed down by Joe and his wife to all the kids and cousins. They got 6 locations. I'm not real sure which is the original spot, but the one we're going to is in Tustin. He's eating a sandwich. I think he got it from Claros. Good. Thanks, sir. My phone stopped giving me directions at some point. Can't have that. Okay, looks like we just keep going. Z, we're 19 minutes away from possibly the best meatball sandwich we've ever had on the channel.
Or in the world.
Hey, now would be a good time to give you the camera.
Maybe.
You think you can get us some good shots, Z?
No.
Everybody's looking at you right now.
Put it in my pocket.
Say hi. All right. Oh, that hurt my wrist. Ah, that really hurt my wrist. If you guys live in the Southern California area and you've got a meatball sandwich that you legit believe is the best meatball sandwich, dude, let us know, man. I'll put it on the list. Oh shit, it's right there. It's right there. GPS told me to turn left. Why did it do that? Slide back, slide back. Let's do it. Hi. Can we order the meatball sandwich from here?
No, that's on the other side.
See on the other side? What's your most popular sandwich on this side?
Great Grandpa Joe. Do you want a spicy version, the Angry Joe's spicy version? Do you want a spicier than that? Spicy one.
Yeah, we'll do the real spicy one.
Real spicy? Okay.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Can I get a large meatball? Yeah, let's do it.
That gonna do it?
That'll do it.
2303, please.
Here you go. Claros, man, what did you think? Meatball sandwich first.
Oh, boys. I'd say this is pretty high up there. I don't know if I can say it's better than Sessions, but the meatball itself was just how I want a meatball to be. Perfectly seasoned. There's like the texture is just nice. It's not too dry, and it's just got all the little herbs that you need in there.
It was your kind of
It
meatball.
was my kind of meatball. Everything else about the sandwich was pretty simple. That allowed the meatball itself to kind of expand and be the star of the show.
I was totally into it. I'm not going to say it was better than Sessions, but it's a different meatball sandwich altogether, man. It's a traditional dude right there. My favorite part, I don't feel like the roof of my mouth got in a fight with the cheese grater, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to rank this for meatball sandwiches number 2 on our list so far.
I'm gonna say this is 1.5.
1.5.
It's very close. I got to go back and try sessions again and really compare.
Not only did we get the meatball sandwich, we got the spicy Mike. What did you think?
Oh man, talk about fresh. What I love the most though, and I'm a big huge fan of cheese, the pepper jack. This is the freshest, like best pepper jack I've ever had in my life.
Out of the 2 sandwiches, which would you come back for?
I don't know, man. So,
Or would you do it all the same again?
if I had a buddy to have a good lunch with, I'd probably do it all again.
It's a good answer right there. I'm going to have to take that one from you. I do the same. I loved spicy Mike. Mike, I want to shake your hand. Whoever you are, Mike, dude, I want to hunt you down and give you a big, fat Italian hug. Because that was a good-ass sandwich. I loved everything about it. Everything. And again, the roof of my mouth remains intact.
If you're in the mood for sandwiches, if you're in the mood for dessert or pastries or whatever, I think this is a cool market again.
We got 2 cans of Dr. Pepper. The 2 large sandwiches came out to $23.
Not too bad.
If you got a spot, it's kind of local to Orange County, Southern California, it's got a good meatball sandwich, let us know, man.
And if you guys have any ideas on what other types of food that we should start doing, let us know. Let us know if you got any cool ideas.
It's true.
Because I am so down to try something that I usually don't eat regularly.
Yeah, let us know, and we'll add it to the list.